Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 5a. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today. We will provide all the answers accordingly. The question number 5a is here. How does the reservation chart aid the hotel staff in effectively managing room reservations, check-in and check-out procedures? Provide specific examples of how this chart contributes to the overall efficiency of this hotel reservation system. So this question is taken from the lesson 30A. If you need this, contact us today. We will provide all the answers accordingly. And we have prepared not for this subject only, we have prepared all the other subject also. So if you need another answer subject, so you can contact us. So we will provide according to your needs, according to the your certification. So we will contact on our WhatsApp number. So thank you so much for watching.